here to show you how to use the extraction tool. This is a lag bolt that I've put in the lathe, and I have machined down so that it will fit inside a one and done. And it's just a way of being able to mechanically jack the one and done packing out of a fluid end. So what we're going to do here is we just slide that into where the plunger would normally slide through the one and done. Give it a little tap just to get it started. On the 1/4 inch, it takes a 9/16 inch socket. We just put a little downward pressure on it. Start giving our crank. When it bottoms out inside the fluid end, it will just jack out the one and done. Once you're basically down to the second O-ring, you generally speaking can just pull it out.